Honda has launched a range of accessory kits for its H'ness CB350 and CB350RS range of motorcycles. We start with this, my personal favorite, the Cafe Racer custom kit. It brings this deep blue paint color to the H'ness. It brings the signature bikini fairing that is expected of a Cafe Racer. What might perplex some is the addition of a handlebar to a Cafe Racer. It will ensure the commanding yet comfortable position of the H'ness, and it won't make you tuck like most Cafe Racers do. If you come here, you can see that Honda has added a bash plate to the CB350 H'ness with the Cafe Racer kit. Other noteworthy features include this tan brown leather seat, which Honda says has improved the cushioning, and this solo Cafe Racer cowl. The Cafe Racer kit for the CB350RS brings all the same things that it does for the H'ness, save for one exception. The CB350RS still gets its flat seat which can accommodate 2 people, and the only addition is this rear seat cowl. If you choose to carry a pillion, you can simply remove it and carry the pillion. On the H'ness, you can only carry one person. The second kit for the Honda CB350RS is known as the SUV kit. What this brings is a small fly screen up front, knuckle guards, and rear saddle stays. If the Cafe Racer kit was about adding style to your H'ness, the Comfort kit is about adding comfort. You get a well-padded seat for both the rider and the pillion. You get a very comfortable backrest. You get these luggage racks and knuckle guards up front, along with this large front visor. The Tourer kit for the H'ness brings a range of comfort-enhancing accessories for the rider as well as the pillion. These thickly padded seats you see here, as well as the provision to mount luggage in the form of a saddle stay as well as a luggage rack. It also gets a large fly screen and knuckle guards to protect you from the elements. The Solo Carrier custom kit for the H'ness brings, as the name suggests, a solo seat and a luggage rack at the rear. It also gets a small fly screen at the front. At the moment, the H'ness CB350 and the CB350RS are not yet OBD2 E20 compliant, although we have been informed that they will be within the course of this month. At the minute, these kits are only sold as a whole, and if you want to purchase a separate part for your H'ness or your RS, it is not possible.